Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me, Indan Malindasari from ONEderland Consulting. I have over 10 years experience as a migration agent and was once a migrant myself, which gave me a unique insight into the process. Please like this video and click subscribe to get all the best Australian immigration content and updates. Today, we're going to cover a really important and delicate topic: how to submit a sponsorship application for an Australian partner visa if the sponsor has a significant criminal record. This situation can be tricky and the process becomes much more critical due to the strict guidelines set by the Australian Department of Home Affairs. So if you or your partner are in this position, stay tuned because this video is going to walk you through key tips to help you navigate this challenging process. First things first, having a significant criminal record doesn't automatically disqualify someone from being a sponsor for a partner visa. However, it does raise concerns with the Department of Home Affairs. The Australian government takes criminal history very seriously, especially when it involves violence, sexual offences, or crimes against children. They want to ensure that the visa applicant, who is your partner, will be in a safe environment. So if you have a criminal record, the department will carefully assess your case to decide if you're still eligible to be a sponsor. This process can feel overwhelming but it's important to understand that the department is primarily focused on the safety and well-being of the visa applicants. So how do you give yourself the best chance of success when dealing with these circumstances? We will give you some key tips which we divide into 3 parts. First, what to do before submitting the sponsorship application. Second, what to do during the sponsorship application assessment. And third, more tips on submitting sponsorship applications. Here are some tips to consider before submitting your sponsorship application for partner visa. Being truthful and upfront is crucial. Your criminal histories will be discovered via character checks, so there's no use hiding them. Let's say the department found that you have purposefully concealed the details of your criminal histories, then the DHA will evaluate you for breach of PIC 4020, making the case much more complicated. Gather formal records concerning the offense, including transcripts from the court, details about the sentencing, and proof that the offender has fulfilled any community service or probation requirements. It will support your sponsorship request and serve as evidence that you have complied with terms of your sentence. Demonstrate that you have grown as a person after the offense. Proof of successfully completed rehabilitation program, references, work history, and community involvement are a few examples you may consider. You should definitely take this advice into account as it will make your character check easier. You still have a lot of work ahead of you. In order to ensure that your sponsorship application is approved, consider to do these tips. Provide a detailed explanation and recognize the criminal record in both the application and any S57 requests, if any. Give details regarding the offense, including any relevant background information, and express your regret. Highlight the depth and sincerity of your relationship with your partner. Provide a range of supporting documents such as joint financial statements, itinerary logs, photos, and correspondence logs. You can also emphasize on how your partner has positively helped you in being a better person and how much you love each other. So there's no reasons for you to hurt your partner. Tell the Department of Home Affairs about your mutual goals for the future in Australia and how getting the partner visa will benefit you both. For example, your mutual goals is to build a family in Australia. So being together in the country is very important to achieve this goal. You can emphasize that being in a long-distance relationship may only complicate things and negatively affect you financially and mentally. After understanding these tips, we want you to keep in mind that under certain circumstances, the Department of Home Affairs still has the power to refuse sponsorship applications based on criminal records. In particular, if the sponsor has been convicted of offenses involving violence or crimes against children, and the department may automatically refuse the application. However, there can be exceptions depending on the individual circumstances. If you believe your case warrants an exception, you must present a compelling case to the department. And that brings us to our final and most important tip. Get professional help from a registered migration agent. Navigating the partner visa process is already complex, and adding a criminal record into the equation makes it even more critical that you get expert guidance. A registered migration agent, the experienced one, will help you prepare a detailed and true sponsorship application, ensuring that all necessary documents and evidence are submitted correctly. They can also advise you on how to present your criminal history in the best possible light while ensuring full compliance with immigration laws. The stakes are high here. A simple mistake, missing documents, or poorly presented case can lead to delays or even refusal of your application. But with the right support, you can significantly improve your chances of success even with a challenging criminal history. Rest assured and don't feel you are in this process alone. ONEderland Consulting is here to guide you. Whether you just need some advice or to organize and submit the application on your behalf and dealing with the complex criminal records of your sponsor or yourself, we are ready to assist you. You can find our contact details in the description of this video and pinned in the comments. It will be our pleasure to assist you in submitting any types of Australian visas, and our advisors will be there for all your visa needs. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content and all the latest immigration and visa updates in Australia with us. I'm Indah Melinda Sari from ONEderland Consulting. See you in another challenge.